So guys, we are going to try out this eyeshadow palette from Avon today. You have 20 color in this. You have matte shade, you have shimmer shade, and they are beautiful. So it's been a while. I haven't done an Avon eyeshadow palette. This is my first time going to try out this palette. Is a new palette, you guys, that I get. So it have a mirror here, which I'm not really, because I'm using a mirror already, but I'll try and use it. It come with two other thing into this palette, which is not really important. So this is the color here that we are going to start from today, and I'm going to go into this eyeshadow palette, and I am going to use a matte shade today. So I'm going to use this color first here, and just gonna blend all over the eyes here. And if it's the first time you come across my channel, I just want to greet you and welcome you to the channel, and thank you also for coming and watching. So guys, thank you again for watching, and please share and like. These eyeshadow, they really blend good. They are amazing. It's an Avon eyeshadow. As I said, this is my first time using it because I just bought it. So I just want to say God bless you. Take care of yourself. Be safe and be beautiful as always. And I will see you in my next upload. Bye.